Bam! The late adopter. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we're doing Chiliz. Why? Well, we did it yesterday. We are kind of following Chiliz for a while, so why not do it today as well? Now there has been a big dump today, and I know a lot of you are thinking what's happening with Chiliz and my other altcoins and stuff like that. I'm really gonna go over that, and we're gonna see that this isn't actually that bad as it might actually first look. We also got this Telegram group where people are right now panicking because a lot of people are getting liquidated. Some people are selling because it went down like 20%. Something like that, even more than 20%, maybe 30%, something like that. So people are kind of scared, you know, especially the weekends, and people don't understand this. They are in a lot of fear. So I'm here like to tell you that it's not as bad as it could have been, but you know, there are very good positives here. So let's get into the charts and actually see what's actually happening up here. The first thing you cannot see is right off the bat, this is daily chart, and we are sitting above the 10 moving average. So just by looking at that, you cannot be bearish. Sitting above the 10 moving average on the daily is actually quite good. Don't you agree? So you can see, although the wick went all the way down to the 50 moving average, this was also a good thing. This is also a bullish thing, because we went down, tested the 50 moving average, said like, nice, there is a support, let's move up, back up. And as soon as we hit this support down here, we got bought back up above the 10 moving average. So to me this looks bullish. I don't know how it looks to you, but to me this looks bullish. Now this candle is not finished yet, so it can maybe drop to 20 to 50, even below the 50 moving average. 10 to 20, 50, even below 50. Now if we close below 50 moving average, I would get worried, you know. I would start by thinking like, what's gonna happen? Like, are we really gonna go further down and stuff like that? So I don't want to see close below 50. I don't want to see close below 20, or it wouldn't be that bad. But preferably the best case scenario above the 10, then above 20, then above the 50. Of course, the higher up we are, the better. Preferably in the green. That's must be the best scenario we could actually end up with. But this doesn't look that bad looking at it right now. So let's put up some lines that we had from before over here. There was this yellow diagonal line that was going up here. So once we broke, we tested it down here. Also the moving average, we bounced very hard, and now we are retracing a little bit. But we are retracing only to this 10 moving average. Now, what we have here is a high, and then we have a higher high, and down here we have a low. And what we might actually have, if this can hold for this this day, and we can continue going up from here, then we get also a higher low. So we get a high, higher high, low, higher low, and that would be very, very bullish. I don't know, however you see it, that's very bullish. So I'm looking for maybe to get that. Either way, we do not know actually what's gonna happen during this day, because the dump is not yet finished. We are in some kind of recovery mode. We had a very big week on the upside, but are we actually finished with the dump or not? It depends to see. It depends to see. Bitcoin still above some kind of decent levels, above 55,000. It's also on the weekly, is looking really nice because it's above 10 moving average. So Chiliz looks to me very decent, decent levels. Only thing we want to know is how long, if this is gonna hold. So for that, let's just look quickly on the 4-hourly time frame and see that we have been recovering a little bit, holding above the 50 moving average on the holding above the 50 moving average. Right now looks nice. All I want to know is if these moving averages, the 10 and 20, is gonna push the price further down, or if we can actually crawl above those. So right now too early to call it, but it looks nice. The RSI is sitting down at 50, so nice levels. The MACD is still got bullish cross, although it is converging because of the 2 last days. Weekly, there's no problem in paradise, and weekly is right now sitting at 76. This rubber band index RSI is sitting at 75. It was a lot higher when we were up here. I think it was something around 80. I don't remember right now, but it was higher. And I think maybe this dump is actually blessing in disguise, because right now everything is pushed down, and today is Sunday, so maybe they just want to push down the RSI during the weekend, so this weekly RSI will be lower, so next week we can actually pump. Maybe that's the thing, I don't know, maybe that's the thing. Either way, you can see here on the weekly chart we did actually have some very nice pumps over here, and we are still in the green on the weekly, so all in all looks very nice. The RSI looks very nice, the MACD looks very nice, we are close to the 10 moving average, so that looks nice as well, because next week this moving average will be all the way up here at something like 0.44, where the bottom price down here is. So this to me seems like there was some kind of a liquidation dump before the moving higher up. I remember once when I was learning about these stop losses and liquidations and stuff like that, and stop hunting, I figured out that the prices have to move lower for it to go higher. You have to move lower to liquidate people and get people to sell, so all of these people that sold can buy back in and push the price higher up at another time, right? It's a little psychological, but I think that's what is happening now. Anyways, we won't know anything what's actually happening until tomorrow when this stump is finished, Monday, when we open, and we're gonna see if we're still gonna go down further or not. But right now for Chiliz, to me it looks levels are looking fine, but you have always to be careful what's gonna happen next. Right now this yellow line is also holding. This was support, and it can still go all the way down to 47 and be fine. But getting up below this line, the diagonal line, and also the 50 moving average, you know, that would be very bearish. That would be very bearish. There are good things that can happen, and there are bad things that can happen. But right now, entire market is in red, and we are looking for the upside. We are looking for recovery, and we will know that by tomorrow. So stop by the channel tomorrow. Check the Chiliz video and see what I think about that. That's it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, smash the like button and all of that shebang, and check out the comments down below for the Patreon link and Telegram group and all that shebang. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.